Aditya Uddhav Thackeray is an Indian politician serving as Cabinet Minister of Tourism and Environment Government of Maharashtra. He is also a MLA of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly from Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is the son of Uddhav Thackeray, an Indian politician serving as the 19th and current Chief Minister of Maharashtra, leader of the Shiv Sena, and grandson of Bal Thackeray. He is the President of Yuva Sena, a youth wing of Shiv Sena. He has been elected as Cabinet Minister in State Cabinet on 30 December 2019. Aditya was born to Rashmi Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray in Bombay. He is their elder son, Tejas Thackeray being the younger son. He completed his schooling from an unaided Christian minority school named Bombay Scottish School, Maham in Mumbai, and earned a BA History degree while studying at St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. He did his post-graduation from KC Law College, Mumbai, where he earned his LLB degree. His first book of poems, My Thoughts in White and Black, was published in 2007. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.